In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly reviews in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system that makes it easy to reflect on your week and plan the next one with confidence. Start by creating a dedicated space so your reviews live in one clean home. Open ClickUp, go to Spaces and select Create Space. Name it Weekly Reviews. Choose the starter option and keep the default statuses as to do and complete. Then create the space. Using a separate space reduces clutter and makes it easy to find past reviews when you want to look back. Inside that space, create a list. Click Create List and name it Weekly Reviews as well. Think of the list like your archive shelf. Each week will be a single task in this list. One task equals one weekly review, which keeps your historical summaries tidy and searchable. Quick note before we continue. You'll find the official website link and the download link for the ClickUp app right at the top of the description, so you can install or open it quickly. Now, add your first weekly review task. Click Add Task and name it something like Weekly Review, weekdates. For example, Weekly Review, Jan 8 to 14. Set the due date to the day you normally do your review, whether that's Friday afternoon or Sunday evening. Be consistent with your day so your habit sticks. Open the task and add a short checklist. Include review completed tasks to acknowledge what got done, review unfinished tasks to decide what carries forward, identify wins to capture progress, note challenges to address obstacles, and set top 3 priorities for next week to create focus. This checklist keeps your review structured and prevents decision fatigue. Make this task recurring so you never forget. In the task, click Recurring and set it to Weekly on your chosen review day. ClickUp will automatically create a new review task every week, preserving the previous one so you can track patterns over time. Optionally, add a notes doc for deeper thinking. Click Docs in the sidebar, create a doc called Weekly Review Notes, and link it to your weekly review task. Use it to write quick reflections, brainstorm improvements, and outline next steps. It's great for longer thoughts that don't fit neatly inside a checklist. When you're done, complete the checklist and mark the task as complete. You'll finish with a clear snapshot of your week and a focused plan for the next one. That's it. Your weekly review system is ready. Thanks for watching.